L'amour qui fait chanter la vie. Les dans tes bras, je sais déjà.
Paris, I love you. I just got to the hotel. It's been 3 freaking hours from airport to hotel. Partially my fault because I decided to save some money and take the public transport. But look at the view. I have the view of the Eiffel Tower. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. It looks much bigger in person than on camera. And then you also see the Olympic signs. And then over here, wow, it's the city. Okay, mini hotel room tour. It's a bit of a mess. It's kind of embarrassing. And then our bathroom. Another mirror for the fit check. We're gonna quickly get ready and then we're gonna go explore the city. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Every time you cry,
Okay, take it.
right by your side. Every single night we kiss. Le blues de Paris, oui. Le blues de Paris, mais le blues de Paris, je l'aime. Le blues de Paris.
This is the famous hall. It's actually just crazy because this was on my bucket list. So I'm gonna check it off right now. First, visit Versailles.
Le blues de Paris, oui. Le blues de Paris.
你要吃吗？
好，就试一颗看看好了，要法国跟
好 Hi. Could we get one orange blossom and then we'll try a rose?
Deixa que o amor invade a porta da tua casa.
Good morning. It is Sunday in Paris. I thought I would just show what I have gotten recently. So yesterday we went to Versailles and I checked off a bucket list item. I don't know why, but it was like kind of random that Versailles was on my bucket list. I think ever since studying it, I was like, holy moly, Louis, maybe you are onto something, building something so grand, which is really cool. You guys, it's giant. It's so big. I think it is bigger than Versailles, the palace. I think it is bigger than the Vatican, which is technically its own country. Yesterday I went shopping and I got this tea, a French tea. It's called Mirage, I think that's how you say it. Mirage Ferris. Know how to pronounce French. I've learned Spanish, but not French. But first off, I got this one. I'm not gonna open it right now because I'm the type to enjoy opening something I got in a country back at home. But I got this one. This is the dragon because I'm the year of dragon. So I was like, very fitting. But you can already smell the tea scent outside of the tea can. And it's definitely very different from like Asian teas, Asian traditional teas I'm used to, where it's like mountain teas. But this is very fruity, has a lot of spices, woodiness. So excited for this one. And then this one, you might be asking like, Tammy, why are you getting all this like Asian inspired tea in France? Well, it smells so good. This is called the ume cha, which is basically a plum tea. Ume is plum in Japanese. Boom. I mainly got it because of how pretty the tin is. And if you open it up, so it's like airtight. You open up, you can see all the tea in her glory in here. This is, oh my god, it smells so good. Doesn't smell like plum, but it smells really, really good. But this would be like a perfect gift. I think at the hotel, they've been giving like free teas upstairs, but now I'm kind of convinced that this stuff is really, really good. So I think I'm gonna go visit their flagship store. It's called the Daman Fraise. This one's also something fresh, so I'm sure it's something related to tea. Been trying out the herbal tea, the black tea. I've been just like collecting them so I can bring back to the States. So I'm gonna go up to their flagship store today to buy some. And then today we're gonna do a more fun shopping. So another gloomy day, but so far it's been really fun. This is Arc de Triomphe. I was biking here the other day. It's always so nice to be back in Europe. Guess who? Notre Dame. So it's currently under construction because of the fire a few years ago. But they did say that it's gonna be reopening this year. But I guess we're just gonna look at this for the meantime, and then we'll get a croissant. But I didn't know that Notre Dame was on a little island. So that's another fun fact. She's really pretty still, but she's gated right now. I really, really, really want the elephant. I have a feeling that it's the elephant because I really want the elephant. When you squish it, you can feel the trunk. Let's see how delulu I am. Please, please, please. Okay, 你要跟我讲是不是大象哦？
啊，大象。
我就知道是大象。这是我第一次拿到我想要的。Oh my god. This is my first time getting what I wanted. I think my luck is just good in Paris. Oh my god, it's so cute.
Les regards, c'est la grande arme de la coquetterie vertueuse. Est-ce qu'on peut tout dire?
Good morning. It's the final morning in Paris. let me tell you about the tea I got yesterday. Damans. Basically, at the hotel, at the breakfast like buffet area, they have a whole bunch of like tea selections, and it's all from Daman Fresh. So good. I'm gonna take some before I hop on the plane back home. It's like the perfect souvenir for gifts for yourself. And I picked up a few things. Every single one smells so good. They're either really floral, they're either woody, smoky, natural, nature, like that kind of thing. This one is it's green tea and has traces of strawberry and different fruits. I'm reading this as if I can read French, but knowing Spanish and understanding Spanish is really easy to get by in France. And then they had a really cool flavor, Rubio's carrot cake. It smelled exactly like carrot cake. I was like, as an Asian, my ancestors might be slightly offended that I'm drinking carrot cake tea, but as a USA citizen, this sounded really good. Oh, it smells so good. My white roots was like, you have to try this, so I'm trying it. And I got myself a tea infuser with the Eiffel Tower. And I got more tea. I got myself and a few friends this, and it just smells so good. And then you can reuse the tins too for your next like loose leaf teas. These are the tea bags that they serve at the hotel. They gave this to us for like little samples. I'm gonna take some before I head back to the US. Let's go get breakfast. Cheers. I always bring my own matcha powder when I go travel. Let's go.
Les regards, c'est la grande arme de la coquetterie vertueuse. Parce qu'on peut tout dire avec un regard. Et puis après, on peut toujours nier ce regard-là.
Jetez les filets d'amour, remontez-les dans 2000 ans. Les mains se serrent, les mains se serrent, les mains se serreront fort sous un soleil de papier d'eau.
We're at the Louvre right now. I've actually never been inside. And I'm not going inside today either because I don't have time. But, you know, as someone who doesn't really understand art, it's kind of lower on my bucket list / things to do in Paris. So we're just gonna take a look at the architecture again from the outside and go see the triangle, which is right in front of me. So everyone be pointing. Everyone be pointing. This is so cute. Oh, she's pointing too. Normally I'd be a little shy to do that, but everyone be here taking photos, so we're good, we're fine. Bonjour.
Croissant almond ou with chocolat almond?
Croissant almond.
Just almond.
Yes, please. Pan Suisse. This one too. Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
I finally got my almond croissant. So we're gonna go back to the hotel, taste test it, and then head off to the airport. Let's try this. It looks slightly different than a normal. Oh, it's like a flat croissant. Okay, let's try. It's good, but I wouldn't classify it as a almond croissant. I would classify it as like a pastry, like almost a cake. Pan chocolat. I'm not the biggest fan of chocolate, but I don't really know why I got it. I got this like pound cake. That looked really yummy. It's a little dry.